This week, Amazon announced what is likely the largest corporate layoff in its history, with approximately 14,000 employees impacted and a potential total of up to 30,000. Headlines have speculated about AI automation or financial stress, but in reality, this move is largely strategic and cultural. The goal is not just cost-cutting, it's about restoring agility, speeding decision-making, and reducing bureaucracy. Amazon is signaling a return to the lean, fast-moving culture that once defined its early success, even as it continues to invest heavily in AI and cloud infrastructure. In other words, the company is aligning human capital with strategic technology growth, balancing operational efficiency with ambitious innovation. This is a story of strategic transformation, not financial desperation. Amazon's workforce reduction is a significant, carefully planned initiative. Scale of layoffs: approximately 14,000 employees, potentially up to 30,000, mainly affecting HR, corporate operations, and management roles. Reasoning: this is not a reaction to AI replacing jobs or a financial crunch. Amazon is profitable, with Q3 2025 revenue of $180.2 billion, up 13% year-over-year, and AWS revenue growing 20%, its fastest pace since 2022. Strategic goals: maintain operational flexibility, enabling teams to respond faster to opportunities and challenges. Reduce excessive management layers that slow decision-making. Restore autonomy at the team and regional level, empowering employees to make faster, data-driven choices. By clarifying this, Amazon is signaling to investors, employees, and competitors that this is about efficiency, agility, and culture, not cost-cutting under duress. This workforce adjustment is as much cultural as operational. Amazon is attempting to reclaim the startup mentality that drove its early innovation. Flattened management structures will reduce bottlenecks in decision-making, making the company more nimble and responsive. CEO Andy Jassy has consistently emphasized the need to return to Amazon's operational DNA: customer obsession, experimentation, and rapid iteration. The message internally is clear. While the company has grown into a massive global tech powerhouse, it must retain the agility of a smaller, focused enterprise. In essence, this move reinforces Amazon's identity as a technology-driven, innovation-focused organization, ensuring teams can move faster while scaling globally. The layoffs occur against a backdrop of strong financial performance. Q3 2025 net sales, $180.2 billion, up 13% year-over-year. AWS revenue, $33 billion, plus 20% year-over-year, contributing roughly two-thirds of Amazon's operating profit. Estimated severance cost: $1.8 billion. Despite these cuts, Amazon remains highly profitable. The decision is a deliberate strategy to optimize operations and streamline corporate processes. This is a company investing for the long term, not a company in financial distress. The message to investors: Amazon is committed to efficiency and innovation while scaling AI and cloud operations. In short, financial health is strong, and the layoffs are a strategic tool to maintain speed and competitiveness. Even as Amazon trims its workforce, it is doubling down on AI and technological growth. Significant AI infrastructure investments continue, including partnerships with Anthropic and deployment of Trainium chips. The company is integrating AI across retail, logistics, and AWS services, exemplified by tools like RUFUS, which now has 2.5 billion active users, plus 140% year-over-year. Capital expenditures for 2025 reached $125 billion, exceeding expectations, highlighting Amazon's commitment to future-ready technology infrastructure. Layoffs and AI expansion are not contradictory, they are complementary. Streamline human processes while scaling computational intelligence. This mirrors a broader industry trend: optimization of human resources alongside massive AI-driven investment in technology and cloud services. Here's what investors and industry watchers should focus on. Strategic motivation. Layoffs are about flexibility, speed, and cultural reset, not AI replacing jobs. Financial strength. Amazon remains robust, with record revenue and AWS growth sustaining profitability. AI as core driver. Investments in AI infrastructure and cloud services continue to define Amazon's long-term competitive advantage. Operational agility. Flattened management and leaner teams support faster decision-making and innovation. Industry reflection. Amazon's approach exemplifies a larger tech trend: optimize workforce for efficiency while scaling AI and cloud operations. The key takeaway: Amazon is transforming for the future, aligning its human and technological resources to maintain leadership in the AI-driven global economy.